If YouTube is not playing properly in Mozilla Firefox, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. We'll go through the most common causes, including corrupted cache and cookies, broken browser extensions, hardware acceleration issues, and an outdated Firefox version. These fixes are simple, safe, and usually solve playback problems fast. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, we'll clear YouTube's cache and cookies, because corrupted site data is one of the most common reasons videos freeze, buffer endlessly, or won't play at all. To do this, open YouTube in Firefox. Then look at the left side of the address bar and click the padlock icon. From the menu that opens, choose Clear Cookies and Site Data. Confirm the action, and then refresh YouTube. This step removes old site data that may be causing playback issues while keeping your browser usable. If YouTube still is not working, the next thing to check is conflicting extensions. Ad blockers, anti-tracking tools, and pop-up blockers can sometimes interfere with YouTube's video player, especially after platform updates. A quick way to test this is to open YouTube in a private window. To do that, click the hamburger menu in the top right corner and select New Private Window. If YouTube plays normally there, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the problem. Now go back to your normal window and disable extensions one by one until you find the one creating the conflict. Click the hamburger menu again, then go to Extensions and Themes and choose Extensions. From here, turn off any unnecessary extensions, especially anything related to ad blocking, privacy filtering, or script blocking. After disabling them, reload YouTube and test playback again. Once you find the problematic extension, you can keep it disabled or remove it completely. If that does not fix the issue, the next step is to turn off hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration sends video decoding tasks to your graphics card, which can improve performance, but if your drivers are outdated or incompatible, it can also cause black screens, lag, or stuttering. To change this setting, click the hamburger menu and open Settings. In the Settings page, search for Performance. Under the Performance section, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. Then uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After that, restart Firefox completely and return to YouTube to see if the video now plays correctly. If playback problems are still happening, you should update Firefox. Mozilla regularly releases fixes for video and media compatibility, so using an older version can sometimes cause YouTube issues. To update, click the hamburger menu, go to Help, and select About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, let it install and then restart the browser when prompted. After the restart, open YouTube again and test the video playback. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue. Start with clearing cookies and site data, then check your extensions, then disable hardware acceleration, and finally update Firefox. That order usually gives the fastest results without wasting time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple browser and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.